Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and for today's video, I'm going to share with you another bag review, my current bag, the current bag that I'm using every time I'm going out, especially when I go to school to bring my son Orion. And this is the Michael Kors Emma Crossbody bag in patent leather in peach color. So there, I'm going to share with you what's inside the bag and my bag review since I've been using it for quite some time now. So just keep on watching this video. So as mentioned, I've been using it for quite some time now. Actually, this bag was just given to me by my sis-in-law from the US. So that means I didn't buy it, but if you're gonna look it online, I think it retails for about 289 US dollars. Yeah, 289 US dollars for this Michael Kors. The leather is a patent leather style, so I know you know what I mean. So this is what it looks like. So it's not like the other Michael Kors type of leather. So for me, it kind of looks like a plastic thing or something like that, but it's a patent leather style of crossbody bag, and I also love it because even if it got wet, if you're walking in the rain, so even if it gets wet, so it's still okay, it's still fine. You just have to wipe it up, and voila, it's just so nice. And I've been using it for like I think more than a year. I've been using it even when I was pregnant, before I got pregnant with Gianna. So it's, I think, more than a year, yeah, or less than 2 years, something like that, or let's say 2 years. So I've been using it for quite some time now, and I really, really love it. Though I'm not using it every time or all the time, but I use it occasionally. And right now, I've been using it for like I think since the weekend, and now it's Thursday here in the Philippines. So there, I love it. So what does it look like? So aside from the material that they used, patent leather, the color is peach, and then there are gold hardwares on it. So this is the zipper. So this is the type of zipper that they have. I am not sure. I forgot what type of zipper they actually call this, but yeah, this is the type of zipper that they are using, the big teeth type of zipper. And then hardwares are gold. It's so nice there. The chain is so nice. And another chain in here. But the bag doesn't have a full chain. So it's pretty nicer compared to other bags that has a full chain sling on them. Because if you put these on your shoulders, it is not that uncomfortable for you to wear. So there, and then you can also adjust, it's still gold, so you can also adjust your belt or the sling belt here. And at the back, there's nothing on the back. There's no feet, and there is the Michael Kors gold logo here, and not really the logo, but the full name of Michael Kors. Sometimes they use it, sometimes they use the other logo of Michael Kors. And then there's a side pocket here, front pocket, I mean, and there. So there's a front pocket. And if we open it, so there it is. There's a lot of things inside because you can put a lot of things. It's a sling bag, it's a small sling bag, but you can put a lot of things. I can put 2 phones inside, my iPhone Pro Max and another phone that I'm also using. And then, of course, here's my Furla card holder. Here is my car keys as well inside. And I've got like envelopes, money envelopes, my lipstick. I have my SNR card here, some coins inside. There are there are some face masks for Orion and my Uniqlo gift card. Actually, this is Gianna's gift card. And there's another pocket inside here, um, there on the front side. And there is another pocket here at the back side, but there's a zipper closure, so it's perfect if you wanted to put some of your bills as well, and maybe your car keys as well. And there, so there it is. And then there's the Michael Kors branding inside as well. And the zipper is like this, and the inside lining is also, I think it's nylon style with the Michael Kors logo printed on it. So there you go, guys. It's just a simple short review of the Michael Kors Emma sling or cross body bag. If you are looking for another bag you can bring anywhere, and it's really comfortable to wear, so you can go with this. There are a lot of online sellers that sell this type of bags as well nowadays, and you can find them as well if you're going to the Michael Kors. I think if you're going to the US, or if you have relatives in the US, you can also ask them to buy this for you if they are near the outlet stores, Michael Kors outlet stores, which always goes on sale. So there, I love this bag, and I hope you can also share your experience with this type of bag. It's a very unique style. Not really unique, but like what I told you. So since the color is peach, so it's kind of unique for me because I didn't have any peach bags here. I have a light pink bag, my Frilla, and I have a yellow bag as well, the Kate Spade one. But this one is a peach bag, so it kind of changes the wardrobe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions or any other things that you can share, just comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed on our channel yet, please consider subscribing, like this video as well. Thank you, and see you on our next video. Bye!